In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete Gmail from Freshsales CRM. If you have previously connected your Gmail account to Freshsales and you no longer want that connection, you can remove it from your personal settings. This is useful when you change email accounts, want to stop syncing messages, or simply want to clean up your connected services. To begin, open Freshsales and look for the profile area. On the screen, click on your profile icon. This is usually located in the top corner of the interface. Taking a moment here matters because the next options are found inside your personal settings, not inside the email connector itself. Once you click the profile icon, you will see a menu. From that menu, select Personal Settings. Now that you are in Personal Settings, you can manage your connected email options. Next, go to the Connect Email tab. Depending on your layout, it may be visible as a tab near the top of the settings page, or it may be listed within the Personal Settings section. Click Connect Email so you can see what email accounts are currently connected and whether they are syncing client.you. Once you are in the Connect Email area, find Gmail in the list. Look for the entry that indicates Gmail and specifically the one you sync. This part is important because you want to delete or disconnect the correct email connection. Take a moment and confirm that the Gmail entry matches the account you want to remove. After you locate it, you should see details related to its connection, including its current status. Next, look at the status for that Gmail connection. The status usually tells you whether the connection is active and whether syncing is enabled. If the goal is to remove Gmail from Freshsales, you will not only want to see that it is connected, but you also want to make sure you remove the right connection. When you have confirmed you are looking at the correct Gmail status, you are ready for the next action. Now choose between two paths based on what you want to do. The instructions describe clicking Connect a different email if you want to replace it with another email. If you are not trying to replace it and you want to fully remove Gmail, you will instead click the trash icon. Go ahead and click the trash icon next to the Gmail connection. This action is what triggers the disconnect process. After you click the trash icon, Freshsales will automatically disconnect the Gmail account from the CRM. You may see a quick update on the screen, such as the connection changing state, or the Gmail entry being removed from the connected list. This automatic disconnect means you do not have to complete additional steps beyond confirming you click the correct icon. At this point, take a brief moment to verify that the Gmail connection is no longer listed as connected, or that its status no longer indicates an active connection. If you see that the connection has been removed or disconnected, then the process is complete. This verification step helps ensure that Freshsales will stop using that Gmail connection going forward. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.